Okay, here we go again. You have your kibble, and you have water. See, there's kibble, and there's the water. See? No, there's water and kibble. What do you? I don't have bacon today. The bacon is not in stock. Oh shit. I don't have any bacon alternatives. I don't even have, I'm not even eating any bacon. I have beer and fruit. Do you want beer? Oh shit. Is this, you want this? No. Do you want this? No. How about this? Do you want this? No. So then why are you yelling at me? That's what I thought. And then what happened? I don't have anything. Oh yeah, I have chicken. You want chicken? You want some chicken, huh? Oh shit. Give you some chicken. You want this chicken? Okay. Is that a good bacon alternative? Nothing's a good bacon alternative. No, Bruno needs bacon too. Oh, I gotta get more chicken. Give him some of the ass meat. Alright, here. No, not you. Not you. There you go. Okay. Don't judge me, YouTube. I'm not drinking by myself, I'm drinking with doggies. There's a difference.